here's something to think about. Um, Oftentimes, especially when it comes to the whole uh, manpower war for talent that takes place on the corporate side, the cost associated with recruiting, onboarding, training is hidden in overhead.
Yes.
Okay, so if if your division had complete visibility on what it was going to cost to replace that person, you might think twice before you pay to have them leave.
Oh, absolutely. It costs way more to bring somebody on brand new.
I just don't think those costs are fully understood or available. They're understood, but they're not available to some of the leaders making those decisions. Different. What I notice in the private sector is that, particularly on the entrepreneurial side, they'll make decisions based on gut because they've been living with a certain amount of risk, and where they want to take risk, they'll take risk, and where they see risk has no return for them, they'll make a decision quickly, and that usually involves people. So we come from a different model, a deployed model, meaning that if you got a person that's cutting up and having a hard time sort of fitting in, there's no replacement for that person, and there's no place for that person to go except back to work. So that means that you have to come up with some means of use of the Old Testament and New Testament in order to figure out what is the tailored solution to this guy's problem so he can be returned and contributing to the team. That's one of the benefits of being like in uniform and in command. One personality can have a big impact on an organization and on a team.